The air fryer is like a mini oven, so it's great for cooking lots of different foods. Roasted salmon. Simply season the salmon with lemon, herbs or spices and air fry at 180 degrees C for approximately 8 minutes. Roast chicken breasts or thighs. Season the chicken with olive oil and your choice of herbs and spices. Place in the air fryer at 180 degrees C for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, turning the chicken halfway through. Baked potato. Wash the potato, slice across into it, place it in the air fryer at 200 degrees C and cook until soft and ready to eat. Sweet potato fries. Peel the sweet potatoes and cut into chips or cubes. Season with olive oil, herbs and spices and mix well. Place these in the air fryer at 180 degrees C for approximately 15 minutes, shaking them halfway through. Roasted vegetables. There are lots of vegetables you can roast in the air fryer. For example, butternut squash, beetroot, courgette or aubergine. Why not try something new? You may find a new favourite. Simply wash and cut the vegetables, season with olive oil, herbs and spices and place them in the air fryer at 160 degrees C for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, shaking them halfway through. For more information on how to eat a healthy diet and for more recipes, check out the other videos on our YouTube channel.